Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a brand new video. So this is Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to a brand new video. You must be wondering why you see me in the same clothes and everything, but this is a two-part video. The first part is where I did my lashes. I show you how I do my own lash. The first part of this video is showing you how I went about doing my own lashes. Now this video is more like a smoky eye type of video. So if you want to see how I did my own lashes, then all you have to do is click the eye card. All you have to do is click the eye card to view that video of how I did my own lashes.
Bruh.
So guys, the look that I'll be doing today is more of a smoky eye look. And it is kind of a part 2 of the Princessa palette. Remember I told you I bought the Princessa palette in one of my videos I did. I'm going to use the darker shades and I'm going to create a smoke eye look. I don't know how it is going to look, so I'm just going to try this one out. I hope it turns out well. I know it's going to turn out well. Okay, so I'm just going to go right ahead and do my brows real quick and then get back to you. So first off, to start off with this smoky look, I am taking my JMK Cause eyeshadow palette and I am going to start off with this shade here and I'm going to put it all over my eyelid and above my eyelid. I'm just stuffing it into my crease and then I just slowly blend it out properly. And then I am going to take the black here and I'm going to put it into my crease. So for blending, the brush that I am using is the Emax Design blending brush. Most of the brushes that I will be using throughout this video is from Emax Design. While blending, I am ensuring that the eyeshadow looks smooth. So I'm going back on top with my brown, kind of tone it down. So I'm ensuring that it is smooth and blended and not looking too harsh. And then I am going to create a cut crease. Okay, it's coming. Guys, I was like super scared just now. I was wondering how it was going to turn out. This is the first time I'm trying this look, guys. So I'm still a bit scared, but not as much as before. When I'm creating my cut crease, I normally use the LA Girl Pro concealer and I always use like a lighter shade of concealer. Just going back over with some more of the brown to tone it. Then I'm just going to go in with a little bit of black. Here. That's it. Let's just blend. So now I'm going to use my Princessa palette and I am going to start off with this blue here. I think I really need to use this blue here. Yes! So I'm using this blue and I am going to pat it on my lid. Guys, when I tell you I love this color, I really mean it. Oh my god, I really love this palette. I so love this palette, guys. Just putting a little on my corner of my eye here. I think I'm going to come up more. Guys, I'm so scared. Oh my god. Okay. And then I am just going to go over the blue with a little bit of black shimmer here. Let's see how this looks. Guys, so now I'm taking some of this here and put it on the inner corner of my eyes right here, just darken it there, and I'm going to put it right here. So now I am going to clean up. So I'm just using my makeup remover wipes to just clean up. So now it's time to draw my wing. So I'm going to put on my foundation and then get back to you guys. Okay. Okay guys, so I went ahead and put on my foundation and I set my face. So now I'm going to use a smaller brush and my JNK Cause eyeshadow palette, and I am going to use the black to go underneath my eyes to kind of finish this look. And then I'm going to blend it right out. Just a little bit of highlight, and then I'm going to use my Milani Bake blush. I'm going to put a little bit on my cheek. And then I'm going to use some rose water to spray all over my face. And for my lips, I'm going to just put some a little bit of lip gloss to it. I am not going to do much to my lips, seeing that I went this heavy on the eyes. So I'm just going to go with a little bit of lip gloss. So guys, the lip gloss that I will be using will be from my Wet n Wild palette that I will be reviewing soon. Hoping to review one day. So it's an all-in-one palette. So I'll be mixing this color and this together to get a nice pinky peaches kind of look. So guys, this is the final look. So I went ahead, I did my foundation, and surprisingly, what I use for foundation, because I left my foundation at work, I use the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I use different shades and I mix them together and I turn them into my foundation. So I am definitely going to do a video on the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and you can substitute it for foundation if you don't have any foundation. So I was a bit scared of the look. I use the Princessa palette, and I really like how it turns out. I was very nervous. I was wondering if it was going to spoil, but this is the final look. Comment and let me know what you think. Let me know if you like this look. For subscribing to my channel. Thank you for liking my video. If you have not subscribed to my channel and you're still here, I'm going to encourage you to click the subscribe button down below. If it is still red, that means you have not subscribed to my channel as yet. So just take this opportunity to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and leave a comment down below and let me know what you think about this look. Thank you so much for joining me. See you in my next video. Bye.